So in the last video, we spent a lot of time there computing some different probabilities using this new binomial distribution and the calculator commands of binom PDF and binom CDF. However, it's also important for us to note that we actually followed a very clear kind of sequential pattern in our progression here in order to help answer these questions. Right from the beginning, it was important that we knew what our variable of x actually stood for. That was number one. We then thought about our information being organized in a table because it was discrete. And then we said, oh, this seems like it meets the checks to be a binomial distribution. And so then we had calculator commands. But of course, in order to use those calculator commands, we had to establish what n and p were first. If you look at the formula sheet for this middle column, you'll see that that's the exact progression that we have here. I would start by identifying what my random variable is. I would then progress to say, this might be a discrete distribution, maybe it sounds binomial, and I'll know that if I check the appropriate four conditions. Then I should be able to find the important parameters of this distribution, which were n and p. We'll talk a bit later about how you could find a mean and a standard deviation if you're asked for them. But the final thing that I would do on every single one of these questions is touch my calculator. Again, I have so many things here to do at the beginning. I have to think about what it is that I'm working with. What's the variable? Is this binomial? Does it meet the conditions before I even think about touching my calculator? And you'll see how more of that plays out again in the next video.